let's complete our lesson. This point about equal fractions. What is the meaning of equal fraction? We said before, whole one have two halves. In whole one, we have two halves. Okay? In one half, we have two quarters. Then half equal 2 quarters. Half equal 2 quarters. Okay? From this figure, we notice that half equal 2 quarters, or 3, 6, 4 is 5 tenths. Okay? How to get this equivalent fraction? We have the first fraction. In the first fraction, the numerator of half is 1 and the denominator is 2. L1 became 3. How? We multiply by 3. We multiply by 3. We must multiply 3 up and down, up and down. 1 by 3, 3. 2 by 3, 6. Okay? Solve with me. 3 over 7 equal space over space. We can multiply by 2. We must multiply 2 up and down. Up. Multiply 2 by 3 is the numerator, by 2 in the denominator. 3 by 2 equals 6. 7 by 2 equals 14. In this example, space over 7 equals 28 over 24. Okay? The complete fraction is 28 over 24. Okay? But here, the missing number is the numerator of the fraction. Okay? We look at the denominator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction. L6 will be 24. We make multiply. Why? Because the number increase. 6 will be 24. But we will make multiply. Multiply by what? Multiply by 4. We said before, if we multiply by number, we multiply the same number in the numerator. Space by 4 equals 28. What is the number? Multiplied by 4, the result will be 28. We will get 7. Okay? 7 over 6 equal 28 over 24. Let's solve examples. 4 over 5 equal space over 15. We have the denominator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction. L5 will be 15. The number increased. In case of increase, we make excellent. Multiply. Multiply by what? 5 by what? Equal 15. 5 by 3. If we multiply down by 3, we must multiply 3 up. And get the result of the numerator of the second fraction. 4 by 3 equals 12. Excellent. Go to the next example. 3 over 7 equal 9 over what? We look at the numerators of the two fractions. 3 became 9. يبقى we make ايه؟ multiply. Multiply what? Multiply 3. If we multiply 3 up, we must multiply 3 down. 7 by 3 equals 21. Okay. 6 over 5 equal 24 over space. The 6 will be 24. We must multiply by 4. Up and down. 6 by 4, 24. 5 by 4 equals 20. 7 over 9 equals base over 54. 9 became 54. We must multiply or divide. The number increased. Increased means we multiply. Multiply by 6. By 6 up and down. 7 by 6, 42. 7 over 9 equals 42 over 54. Here, 2 over 3 equals base over 6. We look at the denominators of the two fractions. 3 became 6. We make multiply or division. Multiply. 3 by what? Equals 6. 3 by 2. If you multiply 2 down, you multiply 2 up. 2 by 2 equals 4. Then 2 over 3 equals 4 over 6. 3 over 4 equals space over 24. We make multiply. 4 became 24. We multiply by 6. Up and down. 4 by 6 is 24. 3 by 6 18. 5 will be 25. We multiply by 5. Up and down. Space by 5 equals 30. Excellent. 6 by 5 equals 30 over 25. Here, 2 over 9 equals base over 18. We look at the two denominators. 9 became 18. We multiply by 2 up and down. 2 by 2 equal 4. 3 became 24. We multiply by 8. Up and down. Space by 8 equals 16. What is the number multiplied by 8 equals 16? We find it 2. Then 2 over 3 equals 16 over 24. 1 equals space over 8. We have how many A's in whole 1? We have 8 A's in whole 1. The next example, space over 2 equals 3 over 6. 2 will be 6. We multiply by 3. Down and up. What? By 3 equals 3. 1. Then 1 over 2 equals 3 over 6. 5 over 10 equals space over 2. 10 became 2. Number increased or decreased? Decreased. يبقى we make multiply or division? Division. يبقى 10 divided what equal to? 10 divided 5. Then divided 5 down and up. 10 divided 5 2. 5 divided 5 1. Then 5 over 10 equal 1 over 2. Excellent. 20 over 30 equal space over 6. 30 became 6. We make multiply or divide. Divide because the number is increased. decreased. The number, if the number is increased, we make multiply. But the number if decreased, we make division. Divided what? Equals 6. 30 divided 5. Down and up. 20 divided 5 equals x9, 4. Then 20 over 30 equals 4 over 6. The last one, 1 over 8 equal space over 24. 8 became 24. We will make multiply. Multiply by what? Multiply by 3. Down and up. 1 by 3, 3. Then 1 over 8. 1 over 8 equals 3 over 24. This point about simplifying the fraction. What is the meaning of simplifying the fraction? Simplifying the fraction, to simplify a fraction to its simplest form, we divide each of the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common number. The greatest common number. For example, 3 over 6. Simplify it to the simplest form. We said simplify means divide. Simplify means divide. What is the common number or common table or greatest common table between 3 and 6? Table 3. Then we divide 3 up and 3 down. Up and down to get the second fraction. 3 divided 3 equals 1. 6 divided 3 equals 2. Okay? Then 3 over 6 equals 1 over 2 or half. Example, simplify the following fraction. We said before, simplify means divide. Simplify means divide. 8 over 12. Put 8 over 12 in the simplest form. We get the greatest common number between 8 and 12. Okay? 8. 2 by 4. 12. 3 by 4. Okay? We will get 4 is the common table between 8 and 12. Then we divide the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4. The result will be 8 divided 4 equal 2. 12 divided 4 equal 3. Go to the next one. 6 over 22. 6 over 22. What is the greatest common table or greatest common number between 6 and 22? Table 2. We divide 2 up and divide 2 down. We will get 6 divided 2, 3. 22 divided 2 equals 11. 12 over 36. What is the greatest common table between 12 and 36? We will find table 6. Then divided 6 up and divided 6 down. 12 divided 6 equals 2. 36 divided 6 equals 6. But 2 over 6 isn't the simplest form. What is the meaning simplest form? Simplest form means the numerator and the denominator haven't any common table. Okay? Here, 2 and 6 have a common table. Table 2. We can divide it 2. Up and down. 2 divided 2 equals 1. 6 divided 2 equals 3. Here, we have any common table between 1 and 3? No. Then 1 over 3 is the simplest form of 12 over 36. Okay? 5 over 25. What is the greatest common table between 5 and 25? We will find 5. Divided 5 up, divided 5 down. 5 divided 5 equals 1. 25 divided 5 equals 5. 50 over 70. We have 0 here and 0 here. We can divide by 10 up and down. 50 divided 10, 5. 70 divided 10, 7. Over 48. What is the common table? Think with me. What is the common table with 12 and 48? We will find 6. Divided 6 up, divided 6 down. 12 divided 6, 2. 48 divided 6 equals 8. 8 over 8 is the simplest form? No, because we have a common table between 2 and 8. We will find it 2. Divided 2 up, divided 2 down. 2 divided 2, 1. 8 divided 2, 4. Then 1 over 4 is the simplest form of 12 over 48. 18 over 27. Now what is the greatest common table? We will find table 3 and table 9. Then we will choose table 9. Divided 9 up, divided 9 down. 18 divided 9, 2. 27 divided 9, 3. Okay? Then 2 over 3 is the simplest form of 18 over 27. Thank you.